Alright, so we worked on chipping, and now we're going to work on pitching. Pitching is about equal amount of air time and ground time. It's when we need to get over some rough or over a bunker, any obstacle in our way. So the setup for a pitch shot is about the same, just a couple slight differences. We don't want quite as much of a forward press, our hands are a little bit more even with the ball. And the biggest difference with our swing is we're going to let our wrist hinge naturally a little bit, so we're bringing the club up a little bit higher, back and through, and that's going to allow us to get underneath the ball and get a little bit of height on your shot. I have a 56-degree wedge here, so I'd recommend a sand wedge or a lob wedge, depending on what you're comfortable with. So I'll have you guys back up just a little bit. So I'm actually going to hit this probably a little bit past the hole intentionally, just to show you the swing. See how that came out a little bit higher? So that's what we're looking for with the pitch shot, is a little bit a shot that kind of goes high and soft. So we're going to practice that now. Okay, so first shot we're going to talk about is the chip shot. That's a shot we want to have more ground time than air time, so it's going to run out about 2/3 of the way. So you can use either like an 8-iron, a 9-iron, or a pitching wedge would be a good club. You can figure it out through trial and error which one works best for you. I myself prefer a pitching wedge. So I'm going to be going to this target here. So we want to have, with the chip shot, the ball a little bit closer to your back foot. Narrow stance, hands slightly ahead of the golf ball, and your weight a little bit more on your front leg. The reason we set up this way is we want the club to bottom out in front of the golf ball, so we hit the ball first and then the ground. So with our technique, it's a pretty short little swing, using mostly arms and shoulders. We don't want any wrist movement with this shot. Accelerate through the ball.